This is Mission Control Houston. Here's another look at Discovery's exterior in the payload bay. As the shuttle is orbiting overhead of the Japanese islands on a northeasterly track. Again, spacecraft communicator Nick Patrick recently relayed up to the crew aboard Discovery that the mission management team and all the engineers reviewing the inspection information that was collected yesterday and the late inspection activities gave the heat protection systems on Discovery, the reinforced carbon-carbon at the leading edges of the wings and the tiles on the underbelly, a very clean bill of health indicating that the shuttle is safe and ready for re-entry. We've just completed an orbit adjust burn to bring in the second landing opportunity at Kennedy Space Center. And Discovery is coming into a new dawn as it prepares to head out over the western coast of California on this orbital pass. Reminder that coming up at the bottom of the hour today, we'll have a NASA television video file, about 20 minutes worth of the best video from NASA of the day. That video file kicking off at 2:30 p.m. Central Time. Again, the STS-120 Commander Pam Melroy, pilot George Zamka, and mission specialist Stephanie Wilson, Scott Perezinski, Doug Wheelock, Paolo Nespoli, and off-going space station crew member Clay Anderson. Nearing the end of their day with the pilot and commander going through some operations on a landing simulator aboard the flight deck as the rest of the crew members finish stowing items that were transferred over to the shuttle in preparation for tomorrow's final de-orbit preparations. Bedtime scheduled to begin about 3 hours and 12 minutes. Meanwhile, aboard the International Space Station, a new crew member on board, Dan Tani, joining the team for Expedition 16, along with Commander Peggy Whitson and Flight Engineer Yuri Malenchenko. That team having a day off today and getting ready for a busy day tomorrow of spacewalk preparations for the upcoming Friday morning spacewalk, in which they will make ready the pressurized bending adapter number 2 for its move over to the Harmony module as the continuing complex spacewalk and robotic operations of the Expedition 16 mission continue. Again, all these operations leading toward the movement of the newly delivered Harmony module and its pressurized bending adapter number 2, the docking port the shuttle will use, over to the forward end of the Destiny Laboratory module to allow for the arrival of new modules from the European Space Agency in Japan late this year and early next year. With that, we'll send the satellite out to NASA television headquarters for the video file today, and we'll leave you with some more orbital views from the payload bay cameras of Discovery. This is Mission Control Houston.